Hello everyone, I'm Kenny, I'm back again. And today we have 12 packs of Shopkins Season 5. I still need a lot of these. Haven't even started, I haven't bought one Season 6 yet. I need to really get started on these again. Since my vacation over, here's all the ones I've marked up on the list. Can't see them all. One day hopefully to always hunt for the limited edition. But if you haven't seen 12 pack, Season 5, you get 10, and then you get 2 hidden ones, and you get 2 of the charms. I got 2 of them. I got them at my work, Kroger's. They're on sale for $9.99. I had a $2 off coupon. So let's break into these. Again, still on the hunt for a limited edition. Let's get the little baskets. The list. Don't need it. Put that over here. We'll show you these ones first. Don't it? Sorry about the glare. And I didn't make a video Wednesday because I had to work. But I still got the Christmas ones to open. Still trying to figure out how I'm going to do a contest for my Facebook. I bought too many of them, and there's only 12 of them, and I have 5 of them all open. I've got a lot of them. I need a few more of them. This one I think I need 2. There's a plant. I think I need a drum. I like the little pepkin drum. No, most of these, like this one I think I have. Tennis racket. I have this one, I think it's some kind, yeah, it's pepkin sandwich. This one I have, the skateboard. I'm not sure, I think I got this one too, the well. And a lot of these I already have. So like chocolate mousse. Oh, I got that one. The flower pot, or vase I should say. I've got that one. I know I need this one. Strawberry, no, the apple, I think. The apple charm. Actually, that one has apple charm in it too. And then here's our other charm. If I can get it open. Which charm will it be? Okay, this is the strawberry one, gold one. I think I need that one too. I'll check later on. I'll do the other charm. And let's check our 2 blind baskets. They come in a little backpack, if I can say it right. And he's got the electric, what are they called? Electric glow. So hopefully we'll get at least one of them that I need. I was hoping to get all of those, but yep, I need this one. Yay, it's a laptop. And they glow in the dark. There's a little keyboard, little face on it. Alright, let's see the other one. I don't know which one this one is. Oh, cool, I got 2 of them. This is the speaker, and I need that one too. That's cool. I need a few more of those. Hopefully I can get the rest. Have not. I've never completed any of the series yet. Why not? Why start with this one? Yeah, still looking for that limited edition. Okay. Those 2. Those over there. These are 2 new ones. got the other one, that one. I think I got both of those. I need the watering can. I think I need a watering can. Hard to keep up which one's me. I know I got the glove. So he'll go with my dupes. Get a lot of dupes. I know I got that one. Chair I think I need. Lawn garden. Got a little bird on top of it. I think I got this one too. The guitar I think I got. The Pepkin guitar. Look on the back, he's got a little tail. I think it's a tail. Yeah. The microphone I got. Of course, I'll check to make sure after I post this video. The teapot I think I need. I'm not sure what this thing is, but it don't want to come out. Some kind of pastry cake or something. And the charm. The other version of that one. I got those two now. I think I need both of those. I could be wrong. And our extra charm. Oh, I was wondering if I had a little help. It's the, I know I don't have this one. I think I got one version of it, just not this color. Okay, that was that. Now for the ones we always want to see, the ones, special ones. The blind baskets. Hopefully there's a limited edition in it. I don't know what that is. Oh, cool. It's the red electric tech camcorder. Cool. Need that one. I don't think I've got this one. I'll keep the little plastic going. It's the chair. Come in a little plastic thing. So no limited edition tape, but that's okay. Didn't think we were gonna get one. But I'm gonna have the Christmas one up by Monday for sure. On hunt for the other 4 I need. I think I need 4. And hopefully by then I can decide how I'm going to do this contest for my Facebook. As of right now, it's only for Facebook, unless some miracle happens and I decide to for YouTube too. I haven't decided yet. I think if I do have a contest, it'll be later on. First, I want to try out just Facebook, see how it goes. But I'll tell you rules a little bit about that later. But thanks again, and like, share the videos. If you want, I'm gonna have more Shopkins videos coming up soon, because now vacation's over, I can start buying more. I still got season 6 I still gotta do. I still got a lot more of these to get. And Shoppy dolls, I still got a lot of those to buy. And I'm still trying to find a hatchable. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.